Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming the essentials so the update can run uninterrupted. First, charge the watch to at least 50% and keep it on the charger. This prevents mid-update shutdowns. Then, make a quick backup using the companion app or cloud. Once done, verify your contacts and settings are synced. Next, connect both devices to a strong Wi-Fi or keep Bluetooth paired, and open the manufacturer app to identify your watch model and available updates before you proceed. You will now download and install the update. This is the core step. Open the companion app and go to Settings, then Device, then Software Update. Select the available update and tap Download. Make sure the watch stays on the charger and both devices remain paired, otherwise the process stalls. If the file is large, use Wi-Fi for speed. Expect anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes depending on the package. Once download finishes, the app will prompt you to install. Confirm and let it run without interruption. You will finish by verifying the update applied correctly and resolving issues if needed. After installation, the watch will reboot. Wait for it to complete, then open Settings right arrow about to confirm the new OS or build number. Make sure notifications, sensors, and apps work. Resync data if anything looks off. If you encounter problems, try restarting both devices, clearing the companion app cache, and reattempting the update. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but back up first because that erases data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.